never start. Now, changing the battery on the 2006 Chevy Uplander. See, the terminals here are shit. That's how bad it was leaking. So I got new connectors. Here's the old piece of shit battery, interstate. Negative, positive, that's how bad it is. Just dies at random. Got new connectors here, which I'll splice on, the clamp connectings. Got my tools. So, wasn't that hard. 3 bolts, remove this bar out of the way. Disconnect the wire from the top of the fuse box, pivot it out of the way, then lift and slide. The old battery didn't have a handle, this one did. Walmart battery, so we'll see how long China lasts. 800 cold cranking amps and 1000 regular amps. Cold cranking is registered at 0 degrees. Regular cranking amps is at 32. So obviously the higher the number, the more it is. 3 years replacement warranty, 2 years prorated, 5 years total. So we'll see how long this will last. The next step, cut this shit off and put new connectors on. I got plenty of wire to do it. Negative's buried down there, I'll grab that in a minute. So we'll be back. Alright, got the new connectors on. That is positive, even though it's black. Because you got the red wire from it that goes to the fuse box. Now I had to scrape off the paint around the connector because you got more than one wire that feeds under here. So it only had like space for one wire. So I had to scrape the paint off so we can make a connection for all the wires. Which on the negative you got 3 wires to go into it. So then I had to take this bar off, scrape off the paint so I can get a connection. So it's nice and tight. Now I just gotta reroute the wires into here and put them on the terminals, and hopefully it'll start. Everything went right. The battery should be fully charged from the factory, but being China, who knows. Got washers, but I'm not gonna use them. This was the old positive connector. This is the negative. Just cut the wire off because it's a crimp. So, hopefully there'll be no more issues with it going dead. So let's connect it and hopefully it'll start. Alright, new battery is in. Terminals are tight. The bar back in is secured. Let's see if it starts. The sign is the lights are on. Crank her up. Turn the radio down. Susan, even though it's on low, she'll pick it up. So that's just a test to me. So we'll see how long the battery lasts. So, not that hard. Thanks for watching.